Honestly, hear me out. We all know what happened. We all saw the trailer. We saw the reactions. And we saw the edits. And all I got to say to that is, the days might be numbered. So you know what? Hey, what? Okay, I was gonna talk about how my controller wasn't actually drifting. It's actually broken, and the 3 input is not working. But is this the first ditto in the video or mirror? What do you want to call it? You know what? Oh. Okay, you know what? I will say I'm a bit thrown off from the mirror, but we're just gonna relax. We got this, bro. Down tech. No, stop.
Alright.
Sparked. Oh, I should have sparked. Oh, I'm dead. No, bro, this cannot happen. This is my team. This is the European Union. I cannot allow niggas. Alright. This is the chance to prove. God, you can't even make it start like this. Let's go. Alright. Good thing he sparked. That's pretty good, right?
Alright.
Alrighty. Brizzy. No! Brizzy. Unsuccessful. Okay, so originally I thought it was just a control stick that's not working, but apparently H is not working either. Vegeta should have fucking. Oh my god, you cannot be serious. Oh, I got a spark. I had a feeling he was gonna reach. Relax. Fuck, nigga. It's time for the most damage possible. Boonk. Alright, might be currents. Alright. That's that. We get, like I said, no niggas. Should have seen that shit coming, but it's okay. We got plenty of damage with what? Nope, stop. Stop with the bullshit, nigga. Please block my team. This shit ain't yours. There's no way that. How did I mess that up? That was so easy. Okay, I know that Kaioken does a lot, but I should be still good. Anyway. Okay, got him. Let's hit him with the reset. Boom, it's a wrap. Alright, never mind.
There's no.
Just like that, I'm dead. He's fucking cross. Just caught me off guard in the worst way possible. God, I don't have any excuses ready. Fucking serious. He keeps fucking balls. I got a spark. Please block. Boom. He's pretty big damage. Got him into fuzzy. Let's go. Boom.
3, 2.
Not gonna lie, that was kind of lucky. I don't know how I got DP there, but it was in my favor. Let's go. Bariato.
It's okay.
It's gonna be pretty tough, but I gotta read same side. I just threw Vegeta. Okay.
Got him.
Listen. Oh, thanks, controller. Appreciate it.
Alright.
The controller can fuck me up as many times as he wants, but we're still good. It's a wrap. And as soon as I say that, I get.
Hi, how are you?
Okay. I don't know what that was about. You have to go for level 3. Alright.
Bitch!
Just leave the buns alone! That's okay. No, stop. Alright. Got him with the reset. Let's go.
Papa ook. Huh?
There's no way. Okay, got him, let's go! Okay. Not gonna lie, that was kind of close. Got him with the key thingy. Let's go! No, that's not enough. I didn't have enough time to vanish. That's Bro, how many fucking Just relax! Time for another level 3, bro. I think it's time to go for the mix. Alright. Oh, the fucking slizzy ass slice. I dare to reset me.
Yeah, of course.
I don't know why I sparked, but I think I'm dead. Or maybe Spark should save. Spark should save me. Okay. Yeah, it's so fucking obvious. Stop! Bitch ass nigga! Luke! Got me all fucking silent. I forgot I was recording. Are you Oh, I should have counted that shit. Fuck! Don't you get back here. You know what? I'm going for the command grab too many times. I won't lie. Oh.
What?
Stop! Stop! Bitch! You can't do that shit! I'm fucking doing it times! You know what's coming. Fuck! Nigga! This is my team! Do you understand? You can't do the same shit a million times! Do you understand, bro?
I'll always be one step
Golly!
These clowns really think they can play my motherfucking team. Nigga, I created the European Union. Blow Jita, Beijito, Base Boku? This nigga thought he had the chance at the first game. I had to show him the ropes real quick. Now we got some bullshit. Alright guys, that was a pretty interesting set of matches. First one, I had to show the nigga why I'm the owner of the European Union. But then I got pretty humbled the next set. But guys, is it time for the like goal? Can we hit 210 likes? Listen. You know what? I'm not going to say it. Just the like button is right there. Like the video and do it. I don't know. Shit. But there's also something else. You got to run the comments. Because I read all comments. But I like that bros videos. Weekly. In the... Yeah. See ya.